Welcome to our tech review series, where today we're spotlighting the Vivo iQOO Z6 Lite. Display. The iQOO Z6 Lite features a 6.58-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Performance. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chipset, with options of 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB storage. Camera. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 50MP primary camera with the 2MP macro lens. For selfies, the 8MP front camera ensures you capture your best moments. Battery. A 5000 mAh battery keeps the device running all day. Design. The iQOO Z6 Lite is sleek and modern, available in Mystic Night and Stellar Green colors. Software. Running on Android 12 with Funtouch 12. Pricing. With a starting price of about €180, the Vivo iQOO Z6 Lite is an excellent choice for features and budget. If you're looking for a new smartphone that offers great features without breaking the bank, the Vivo iQOO Z6 Lite might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.